When we think of rivers, we imagine flowing water, clear, brown, or maybe green. But across the world, some rivers break every expectation. Rivers that turn bright blue without dye, red without blood, black without pollution. These colors aren't illusions. They aren't filters. And they aren't caused by human activity. They're the result of geology, chemistry, biology, and time working together in ways that still surprise scientists. Today, we're exploring 15 rivers whose colors are so unusual they almost don't look real, yet every one of them is completely natural. 15. Rio Celeste, Costa Rica. Hidden inside a protected national park in Costa Rica, Rio Celeste is famous for its striking turquoise blue color. At first glance, it looks artificial, but the cause is entirely natural. For many years, locals believed the color came from mythology, stories about gods mixing celestial paint. Science later revealed the truth. The blue color appears precisely where two clear rivers meet, Rio Buenavista and Quebrada Agria. Quebrada Agria carries acidic water rich in volcanic minerals like dissolved aluminum. Rio Buenavista contains microscopic aluminosilicate particles formed by volcanic activity. When these two streams merge, the change in pH causes the particles to cluster slightly. These particles don't cloud the water. Instead, they scatter sunlight, reflecting blue wavelengths and creating the river's opaque turquoise appearance. The color change is especially visible at a location known as El Teñidero, where the streams merge suddenly. Strict park regulations protect this fragile mineral balance, ensuring the river's color remains stable. 14. Caño Cristales, Colombia. Often called the River of Five Colors, Caño Cristales is one of the most visually striking rivers on Earth. At certain times of the year, sections of the river display red, yellow, green, blue, and black hues. This phenomenon is caused by a single aquatic flowering plant called Macarinia clavigera. It is not algae and not coral. It's a highly specialized plant that grows only under precise conditions. Between June and November, when water levels drop and sunlight reaches the riverbed, the plant produces red pigments. Combined with yellow sands, green moss, dark rock beds, and clear water, the river appears multicolored. Outside this seasonal window, the colors fade completely. Because the ecosystem is so delicate, sunscreen and physical contact are restricted to protect the plant. 13. Blackwater Rivers, Okefenokee Swamp, USA. The Okefenokee Swamp in southern Georgia and northern Florida feeds several blackwater rivers, including the Suwannee and St. Mary's rivers. These rivers appear dark brown or nearly black. The color comes from dissolved organic compounds released as leaves, pine needles, peat, and other plant matter decompose in acidic, low-oxygen conditions. These tannins absorb light, producing a tea-like coloration. Despite the dark appearance, the water is clean and supports a rich ecosystem of fish, reptiles, amphibians, and invertebrates. Decades of scientific sampling confirm the color is stable and entirely natural. 12. Rio Tinto, Spain. Located in southwestern Spain, Rio Tinto is one of the most studied colored rivers in the world. Although its name means red river, many stretches appear deep yellow due to high concentrations of dissolved iron. The river flows through massive sulfide ore deposits containing minerals like pyrite. When these minerals react with oxygen and water, iron is released into the river. As oxidation continues, ferric iron dominates, giving the water its yellow hue. The river's extremely low pH keeps metals dissolved, maintaining the color. While mining has intensified the effect, the underlying process is geological and millions of years old. 10. Verzasca River, Switzerland. The Verzasca River in southern Switzerland is known for its crystal-clear emerald green water. The color is produced by extreme clarity, depth variation, and light reflecting off granite riverbeds. Shallow sections reflect sunlight directly, creating bright green tones. Deeper pools absorb red wavelengths, allowing green and blue hues to dominate. Cold temperatures and fast flow prevent algae growth, keeping the color pure. 9. Blue River, Hokkaido, Japan. Flowing near the Shirogane Blue Pond, this river's vivid blue color comes from mineral-rich volcanic groundwater. Aluminum hydroxide particles form when geothermal water mixes with river water. These microscopic particles scatter sunlight, reflecting blue wavelengths. Seasonal changes affect intensity but not the cause. The color remains consistent and fully documented. 8. Emerald Rivers, Jiuzhaigou Valley, China. In Sichuan Province, Jiuzhaigou Valley contains rivers with striking emerald coloration. The effect comes from clear water, dissolved calcium carbonate, and light reflecting off travertine limestone deposits. The carbonate-rich geology causes suspended particles to settle, reducing turbidity and enhancing optical clarity. Seasonal changes affect appearance, but not the underlying mechanism. 7. Pink River, Lake Retba, Senegal. Lake Retba is famous for its pink color, caused by salt-loving microorganisms that produce beta-carotene pigments. During certain conditions, connected waterways carry the same pink hue. High salinity, strong sunlight, and warm temperatures intensify the coloration. No dyes or minerals are involved. It's a biological process confirmed by research. 6. Green Yellowstone River, USA. Certain stretches of rivers in Yellowstone appear green due to dissolved silica and calcium carbonate from geothermal springs. These minerals increase clarity and reflect light from pale riverbeds. Cold temperatures and fast flow prevent algae blooms, confirming the color is mineral-driven and seasonal. 5. Rio Negro, Brazil. One of the Amazon's largest tributaries, Rio Negro appears almost black due to dissolved humic and fulvic acids from decomposing rainforest vegetation. Despite its color, the river is low in sediment and chemically clean. Many species, including pink river dolphins, thrive here. 4. Wanganui River, New Zealand. After heavy rainfall or erosion, parts of the Wanganui River turn milky turquoise. Fine volcanic or glacial sediments remain suspended, scattering light. The effect is temporary, well documented, and has no long-term ecological impact. 3. River Test, England. The River Test is a rare chalk stream. Chalk-filtered water creates extreme clarity, allowing blue wavelengths to scatter more strongly over pale riverbeds. Seasonal changes affect intensity, but the cause remains geological. 2. Orange Rivers, Carhuaz, Peru. In Peru's Cordillera Blanca, glacial meltwater carries iron-rich sediments. As iron oxidizes, it forms orange particles similar to rust. The effect is strongest during peak melt seasons and is entirely natural. 1. Blue Lagoon Outflow, Iceland. The outflow river from Iceland's Blue Lagoon maintains a milky blue color due to suspended colloidal silica formed when geothermal water cools. The particles scatter blue light, creating one of the most consistent natural blue waterways on Earth. These rivers don't just look unreal, they prove how precise nature truly is. Change the chemistry, the temperature, or the balance, and these colors could disappear. Protecting rivers means protecting the science written into the planet itself. If this video amazed you, like, subscribe, and comment. Which river surprised you the most? Until next time, stay curious.